जाए. Was that the guy?
Nope. Maybe the next one is.
If we can catch him. Which I don't think we can because he popped ulti. He's way ahead of us.
It's like
Splitting
split
up.
up.
Yeah.
They're splitting up. I'm going after this one right here.
Oh shit, j'ai un PD. Ouais, ça me...
Yep, that's the guy. Get it.
Yeah, somebody grabbed my green. Who grabbed my green? That was my green I was grabbing back. Who
Yeah,
grabbed it?
actually we did kill those guys with that green. I think it was gone.
Dude, that was my green I was trying. It's the whole point of going rogue is so I can get my shit back. I'm a fucking idiot. I'm about to kick you from the P. Completely rogue on your ass. You better do
Boss
the right
is
thing
up.
and drop my shit. Yeah, don't pick up my shit. I was killing that guy to get my shit back, and then you pick up my shit? Do the right thing, let yourself die. I get it. On you, pick my shit, go out there, let yourself die. I'm just gonna pick up my green thing.
We can let the rogue status go off and then you can try that, yeah.
He does. He goes out there and lets himself die. I pick my green thing out of the inventory that he keeps, whatever's his.
Okay, I'm off. Like, I'm not rogue anymore.
Yeah, me either. Alright. What we'll do is we'll walk through this tunnel. Gone, do the right thing, get yourself killed, and drop my green thing so I can pick it up. Go ahead. There you go, Gone. Do the thing. Go get yourself killed. Gone. Go get yourself killed so I get my green thing back. Ain't nothing to think about. I'm telling you how to do it. Got 500 hours in this game. No? Oh, you got no green. Is that what you're telling me? You didn't get my green seal cache? Might well check your inventory.
Gone or Goblin, yeah.
Oh, Goblin did. Goblin, check, make sure you didn't pick up a green seal cache that wasn't mine. Oh, nobody's talking. So that green seal cache is so important that you choose to keep it. Good. I hope you get something that's useful. Jesus Christ. Alright, well, I don't play with people who steal. Might want to do the right thing and leave. Before we get down there and take care of this bomb, somebody figures out who picked up my green thing, or I'm going to start keeping the team going low on gas. Somebody who's got my green thing better die so I can get it back. Goblin, if you took it, go die. I'd get my green thing back. I'll leave the rest of your inventory standing. It will wait right here until you come back and get it. I have no idea what check chat report means.